India has many different landforms. There are high mountains, deep valleys, plains, plateaus and even deserts. Some places are high above the sea level, others are very low. Some places are close to the sea and others are far away from the sea. Some places are rocky while the others are sandy. Some places have high rainfall while others have very less rainfall. Some places have floods while others have famines. Some places are extremely hot, others are very cold. Thus, we see that in India that climate differs from place to place. However, everywhere we have almost the same cycle of seasons. It is the cycle of summer, rains, autumn, winter and spring. Let's begin with the summer season.
The summer season. India is mainly a hot country. For most part of the year, the sun's rays are very hot. We call it the summer season. In the northern plains, summer starts with the month of April. At noon, the hot sun shines overhead. In May, it gets even hotter. June is the hottest month. Hot winds and dust storms begin to blow in this month. In desert areas, the heat becomes almost unbearable. However, even in summer, the northern mountains remain cool and pleasant. Some peaks even remain covered with snow. In summer, the days are longer than the nights. Summers in the south are not so hot. It is because this part of the country is surrounded by the sea. The winds coming from the sea keep the coastal areas rather cool. The rainy season. By the end of June, it starts raining. Winds from the monsoons begin to blow from sea to the land. They come from the southwest direction. Since they come from the sea, they are full of moisture. They cause good rainfall in many parts of the country. The rains start first in the south along the western coast. By the month of July, the monsoons cover the whole of the country. The northeastern parts of the country have the heaviest rainfall. Mawsyn Ram in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. However, there are some areas in the country that have very low rainfall. It hardly even rains in many parts of Rajasthan and Kutch. By the month of August, the rainy season comes to an end. The autumn. From September to November, it is the autumn season. The leaves of trees grow pale and begin to fall. In this season, the crops ripen and the farmers are very happy. Most of the harvest festivals take place in the autumn season. This season marks the end of summer and the beginning of winter. The winter. From December to January, it is the winter season. During these months, the days are short and the nights are long. It becomes very cold in the northern plains. There is heavy snowfall on the mountains. But in the southern part of the country, winter is not so cold. In fact, it is quite pleasant there during these months. The spring. With the coming of March, the days grow warmer. The winter crops begin to ripen. It is neither very hot nor very cold in this month. The weather becomes very pleasant. Plants and trees give out new blossoms. In the northern plains, spring is the best season of the year. With the coming of April, the same cycle of seasons begin once again. It continues this year after year.